Imagine finishing editing an entire engagement shoot in minutes, not hours. Here we have the original, and here our transformation. Steal any color grade using AI, refine once, then batch apply to dozens of photos. Let's go. Okay, so here we are inside the Kumoo environment. So first and foremost, let's quickly go over the interface. On the bottom, we have the photo panel. In the center, the canvas, and on the right, the toolbox. Today, we're only using two tools, the AI color transfer and one-click batch paste. Step 1. Use an AI image generation software to color grade a screenshot of one of the photos from your shoot. Download the AI result. That's your color reference. In Kumoo, we want to create a new project, import your high-resolution raw photo, import your AI-generated image, head over to Color Adjustment, AI Color Transfer, Mine, then Import. Select your AI-generated image, click on your raw photo, then click Sample. And you're done. A full grade on your original. As you can see, we're already 80% there. Next, it's time for some local adjustments. Switch to local. For a soft light leak, we're going to create a local mask. I'm going to feather and lower the density of the mask of our brush. Paint in where we want the soft light leak. And then I'm going to raise the exposure plus the whites. I'm also going to paint in the mask on the right side of our background. And I'm going to lower the exposure to create a vignette effect in order to make our subjects pop. Next, I'm going to create a mask over our subjects and slightly boost the exposure and shadows to help them stand out. For the face, I want to clear up the acne a little bit, soften some of the lines and the wrinkles on the face, and do a little bit of an AI face retouch to about 40 to 50%. On the body, I'm going to soften some of the body blemishes by about 50%. I'm also going to remove some of the stray hair using this magical slider over here. I'm also going to use this amazing face defocus repair to really sharpen the eyes and bring out the detail on our subject's face. Next up, it's time to batch edit our photos. Once I've imported our new photos into our photo panel, I'm simply going to select our finished hero, Command or Control plus C, then select the rest by holding down Shift, clicking the first newly imported photo and the last newly imported photo, and then simply hit Command or Control V. Alternatively, you can simply save the original edit as a preset. And you can simply go ahead and repeat this color transfer for images that might have been taken at different angles with different lighting or different backgrounds. With the base color grade applied, you can now go ahead and fine-tune the results or adjust the lighting to your heart's content. And then you simply need to repeat the batching process once again. Really guys, this is just an incredible technique that has become a staple part of my workflow, and that is to use AI to help you generate a cinematic color grade, use an AI editing tool such as Kumoo to color transfer that grade onto your raw photo, apply some local and retouching adjustments, and then simply copy and paste your edit to the entire shoot in seconds. Editing that usually takes hours becomes minutes, and your entire editing workflow just becomes so much more fun in the process. I've gone ahead and dropped the raws in the description down below. Feel free to give this technique a try for yourself. My name's Justin, and I will see you in the next video.